Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This video is going to be very short, but you will learn how to shut down your computer using a Python script. In order for us to shut down a computer using a Python script, we have to use the os.system function with a code that I will be explaining. For this to work, you have to import the OS library in the IDE, and if you don't have it, just use pip install os through your command prompt. The command is pip install os. Well, I have this. I'm just going to comment it out and jump straight to the code. Once you have that, all you have to do is import the library, and let's define a variable that's going to show a message and take an input. Let's say yes or no, y or n, and through that we're going to run the code. So we will say shutdown equals input. Do you want to shut down your computer? Say yes or no. Now, if shutdown equals to yes, you want to run something. Else, exit. Now, this is the part we're going to write the code. And the code is os.system shutdown /s/t1. So /s means shutdown. There's also /r, which is restart. And there are a few other letters that I'll be explaining it, or I can post it in the comments for you guys if you guys are interested. Then we have /t, which is a timer. So /t1 means after 1 second shut down the computer. So for example, if I have 7200 seconds, that means after 2 hours shut down the computer. All you have to do is save this file, either run it in your IDE or just run the file, and then you will see the message pop up, and then you can say yes or no, and depending on your answer, the code would shut down your computer or not. That's all for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to like and comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.